Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mr. Rowe. We're looking at algebra. This is part A. We're looking at lesson 17, and we're focusing on the problem where you have to find the line of best fit. Seem to be having trouble using the resources I'm giving you, so I'm going to try to give you one more resource that you can use. And this is a good resource to use because it will be similar to the calculator you're going to use on the EOC. This is desmos.com. So I've given you the link probably. If not, ask for the link. It's desmos.com. That's all you got to do. Click on it and enter it, and that's it. And once you get here, all you got to do is enter this information in. So how do we do that? Well, this is similar to the table that you're given. You're given a table and you're asked to write the ordered pairs. I'm going to assume that you can turn these into ordered pairs. So we're just going to focus on how to enter this data into the calculator. So right here, that plus sign, and one of the options is to make a table. So guess what? We're going to make a table. We're going to put age as the X values, height as the Y values. So you just enter those in real quickly. And look at that. It even starts to autofill. There we go. And so I'm going to come over here now, and then I'm going to enter in my Y values to correspond. And Mr. Rowe, I don't see anything on the graph, but that's okay because you can zoom out, you can zoom to fit, and there it is right there. That plus sign will zoom to fit, and there is your graph. So I asked you to plot the point, so there's the points plotted. I also ask you to draw the line of best fit. And that is one of the things that you can do with any of the calculators that I've taught you. I've showed you how to use it on the TI-84. I've given you probably an Excel or Google Sheet method of doing it. Well, here's Desmos. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to do a regression equation, and this is real simple. We're going to use y equals mx plus b form. I'm going to type this first. Nothing's going to happen, but that's the form we're going to use. So how we're going to get that? Well, we're going to change a few things here. We're going to change y to this column right here. So I'm going to copy that, Control C, and I'm going to copy it right here, Control V. I'm going to change this to the similarity sign. Now that is the accent right above tab. So you have to hit shift and do that. And then you're going to change X to this column, X1. Oops. Control C instead of Control X. And see, look, it comes up with a bunch of new stuff that we can use right here. And then guess what? I'm just going to type in my equation. Y equals, well, here's the M right here. So that's 9.08. And it looks like 3 repeating. So I'm just going to put a few 3s. X plus 62.75. And look, it goes right through those points. So there is your regression equation. You're also asked to find an individual point, so you can substitute that X in right there and find that individual point. Now, how are you going to submit this? Take a screenshot, copy it right into the submission box or attach it to your Google Doc, and you've got your work, and here is all the work right here. So I hope this helps you with these problems. Please let me know if you still struggle with this in a teacher message or make an appointment for a help session.